So let's go ahead. Let's take one of our sticks right here. Let's just gently line everything up. It's only going to fit one way. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 RAM. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see the nice retail box in packaging right here. Check it out. We can learn a lot about this RAM straight from the packaging. So it's optimized for Intel and AMD. DDR4, two 8GB sticks, bringing our total to 16GB, and you can see our speed of 3200 megahertz. Typically, when you're buying RAM, there's two things to consider besides the capacity. The first one is your speed. The higher, the better usually, but you also have to consider the latency rating as well. And in this case, we have a CL16 rating, so you want a lower latency and a faster speed if possible to get the best performance. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, you can see we have our Corsair safety information in multiple languages, followed by our two sticks of DDR4 RAM. Let's go ahead, let's take them out of the packaging. Check that out, Vengeance LPX DDR4. You can see how everything looks right here from both sides. Our product information, they're identical to each other, so you can see that. We have the 8GB version, 16 gigs total, but you can see Corsair's logo on the top too. Everything looks really nice. I like the front of this. It's really sharp with the Vengeance LPX on it. Nice heat sink. Looks cool with the black. You can see all different sides and angles. Now let's go ahead and let's get this installed. When installing the RAM, refer to the user guide and manual, and you might be able to find it directly on your motherboard as well. If you're going to just be using 2 out of the 4 available slots, it will tell you which 2 slots to use. So in our case, you can see it's clearly marked A2 and B2 are the ones we're supposed to use first. So here's A1, here's A2, here's B1, and here's B2. So we're going to be using A2 and B2 for our 2 sticks of RAM. Obviously, if you had 4 sticks of RAM, you will be using all 4 slots. So let's go ahead. Let's take one of our sticks right here. Let's just gently line everything up. It's only going to fit one way. So just keep that in mind if you're doing this for the first time. Maybe you can see right here, we have a longer side and a shorter side. So then just line it up and then just gently press everything in place, and then you hear it click. And now let's do that again for our second stick. So same thing, it's only going to go one way. Drop it in and then just gently press. And there we go, it snaps in place. And now the RAM has successfully been installed. So now you can see our RAM's at the correct speed that we should be getting, 3200 megahertz. So I had to go up to the advanced section. Let's see if we can click it from here. Then we had to go to our OC settings. And then right here you can see we had to select profile 1. Yours might say disable. Then go back and save your settings, reboot it, and you should be all set and ready to go with the correct RAM speed for your build. So far, no issues with the RAM at all. It's communicating just fine with our CPU and the motherboard. No issues to report back to you guys. For some budget-friendly RAM, I'm very pleased with it. I like the low-profile design. I guess in the future, my only complaint is that I just didn't buy enough of it. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.